Hi everyone, welcome back to today's session. We have been discussing a lesson that is desert animals. In the previous class, we have seen two kinds of creatures. Before going to discuss these two creatures, we have been discussing the life condition of animals which are lived in a desert land. Okay, as I am telling you, we have seen in the previous class two kinds of creatures. First one, gerbils. Gerbils spends time, hottest part of the day. It goes underground burrows. Okay. Next, we have another creature that is darkling beetles. Darkling beetles are expert at catching troops of mice off their own leg. Okay. Next, we have seen there are 2,300 different kinds of snakes. They are quite harmless. Okay, that we have seen in the previous class. In today's class, we are going to discuss next part of the lesson. Okay, let us begin. There are a few that are so poisonous they can kill a human being with just one bite. Being with just one bite, most snakes lay eggs, but there are many which give birth to their young. In the dry, rocky deserts of America lives a rather evil looking snake with a very bad reputation. Its frightening rattle can be heard as far as 30 meters away, and it can strike with lightning speed. As I told you, there are 2,300 harmless snakes. At the same time, we find there are some snakes, they are quite poisonous. They can kill a human being with just only one bite. Just you can imagine, the what kind of most poisonous snakes are there in desert land. Most snakes lay eggs. Most snakes produce eggs, but there are many which give birth to their young. They are giving birth to their young snakes. In the dry and the rocky deserts of America, where we find some different kinds of snake. They are the most dangerous snakes, and they make sound called rattle. And when you are the 30 meters far away from the such kinds of snakes, they give rattling sound and with lightning speed of brightness. So this is the the kind of snakes we can find in the desert part of the America. Okay, did you get? Let us know the next one. But the rattlesnake or rattler as it is sometimes called, prefers to avoid people if it possible can. Again, we are discussing a kind of snakes that is called rattlesnake. Why it is called rattlesnake? They often make sound to alert hunter. That is called rattlesnake. Okay, it holds its tail upright and rattles the end whenever it is disturbed. When these kinds of snakes are got disturbed, they make a rattle sound. However, if its warning are ignored and it feels threatened, it will coil ready to bite. But the rattler itself cannot hear the noise its own tail makes. Like most snakes, it hears things through vibration in the ground. Those who ignore the sounds of the rattle, suddenly they become angry and they are about to bite others. Okay. Next, If a person walks nearby, the snake can feel the moment, but if the same person were to shout, it would not hear a thing. Rattlesnakes are very common and widespread animals living right across the American continent from Canada to Argentina. They feed on variety of prey including mice, voles, rats, chipmunks, and many others. Dear students, rattlesnakes are very common and widespread animals living in the part of Canada and Argentina. Okay, before entering into the forest, they know when we are in 30 meters far away from the snakes, they make rattle sound to alert hunter. If they ignore the sounds of the snakes, definitely they will bite the people who are enter into the forest. Okay, and this is about today's class. Still, if you have any confusion, any question, you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day.